Hey there, look at this amazing shape sorting house. Today we will be learning about different shapes and numbers from 0 to 9. Now we are going to put these numbers and the shapes into the gaps provided. Look how beautiful this toy house is. Look at all the shapes and numbers cutouts. Now let's get started. First one is this clover shaped piece. It looks like a flower, often called as flower shape. It's in purple color. Put it inside. Oops, dropped it. Next is this circle shaped piece. It's in bright red color. Let's put it also. Look at the hexagon shape. It has 6 equal sides. Look at that banana like yellow color. Let's find more shapes. This is a triangle shape cutout. Here it is in pink color. Next is this orange heart. Let's put it in. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now this is a cross shape. Also looks like a plus shape. Put it in. Here you go, purple cross. Let's turn it around. See, this is a square shape. It has 4 equal sides. We got the piece. It is in pink color. Time for this orange semicircle or half circle. Drop that too. Now the last one. This is L shape, as it looks like a letter L. Time for the numbers now. Let's start. First is number 1. It's in purple color. Let's fix it. Next is number 2 in yellow. See, 1 and 2 is done. Let's move on. Number 3 in blue. Number 4 in green. Next number is 5 in blue. See, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Time for more numbers to fix in. This is number 6 in green. Fixing it too. Next is number 7 in bright yellow color. Oh, I love this color. This is number 8. I'm fixing it in. It's in blue color. This is number 9 in red. Time for the last number. It is 0. It's in beautiful light blue color. See, we have 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. All numbers and shapes are done now.